Welcome to the final episode of Unlock Your Menu's Power, the KhazinaDigital Guide to QSR Digital Signage Mastery. Over the past 5 episodes, we've covered everything from eye-catching design and the immense power of cloud-based systems to expanding signage beyond your menu and proving its value with solid analytics. Now, the big question is, where do you start? We've shown you that your digital menu boards aren't just pretty screens, they're dynamic sales tools. We've demonstrated how moving beyond that USB stick to a cloud system can save you time and unlock incredible potential. We've even shown you how to use screens for everything from entertaining customers in Liverpool to streamlining your kitchen in Birmingham, and how to measure the real financial impact. Taking the first step doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by assessing your current setup. Are you still on USB? Your first step is clear. Research and transition to a robust cloud-based digital signage platform. If you're already on the cloud, great. Now, commit to optimizing. Look at your content schedule. Are you leveraging dynamic pricing? Are you showcasing high-margin items in those prime eye flow spots we discussed? Small, consistent changes can lead to huge results. Remember, digital signage is an ongoing journey, not a destination. The QSR industry is constantly evolving, and your signage should evolve with it. Imagine a future where your menu boards automatically suggest items based on the weather or integrate directly with loyalty programs, where your screens are a seamless extension of your brand, constantly working to enhance the customer experience and drive your profits. This isn't just about selling more. It's about building a smarter, more efficient, and ultimately more profitable QSR business. It's about staying ahead in a competitive market right here in the UK. Don't just watch this series and wonder what if. It's time to act. If you're ready to transform your QSR's digital signage, KhazinaDigital is here to help. From initial consultation and system setup to content creation and ongoing support, we are your trusted partners in the UK. Visit our website or contact us directly. Let's unlock your menu's full power together. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We've loved sharing our expertise. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow QSR owners, and subscribe to KhazinaDigital for more insights into the world of digital signage. Here's to your success.